everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share the recipe for the viral Dubai Pistachio kunafa chocolate ice cream bars. This easy recipe will show you step by step how to layer the irresistible crunchy pistachio kunafa filling and creamy pistachio ice cream, dunk them in velvety smooth milk chocolate and decorate them with pistachio paste and chopped pistachios. For this recipe, we need kataifi shredded pastry dough. I'm going to use the half of the packet. And we need milk chocolate, coconut oil 1 tablespoon, pistachio paste I'm using 200 gram and some chopped pistachios. And 3 tablespoon butter, tahini 2 tablespoon, pistachio almond ice cream. You can finely chop the kataifi or pastry dough with a knife or food processor. In a large pan, you can melt the butter and you can add the shredded kataifi and toast until golden and crispy. It takes around 10 minutes. Keep stirring until golden brown. Toast on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Then you can add the pistachio paste, chopped pistachios and tahini. It gives the chocolate bar an amazing flavor, but also a good texture. It's just so crispy and creamy at the same time. Pistachio kunafa filling is ready now. And we need ice cream bar mold and wooden stick for this recipe. Now you can spoon filling into each ice cream bar cavity about 1/3 full. With this recipe, you can make 2 batches of ice cream bars. Insert the wooden sticks and allow to sit in the freezer for 30 minutes. And you can place the entire mold onto a small flat tray. Keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Melt the pistachio almond ice cream and then you can spoon or pour ice cream on top of the filling until it's full each bar. You can transfer the mold or tray back into the freezer for another 2 hours or more. When ice cream is fully frozen, you can combine coconut oil and chocolate, and you can melt in a heat-safe bowl. You can either use the microwave or the double boiler method. Here I am using the double boiler method. Now the chocolate is fully melted. You can pour the melted chocolate into a narrow tall glass deep enough to dunk the bars. Allow chocolate to cool to room temperature or at least 80 Fahrenheit. Demold the ice cream bar from the mold and then you can dunk into the chocolate. You can drizzle a little pistachio paste and garnish with some chopped pistachio on top, and you can do the same with the remaining bars. You can place the bars back in the freezer immediately. Now you can see one of the bars got melted because the chocolate was a little hot, so I had to wait a little more time, so keep that in mind. Yummy, delicious pistachio kunafa chocolate ice cream bars are ready to serve now. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this viral Dubai pistachio chocolate bar inspired ice cream bars. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I will leave the detailed recipe in the description box. Please try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye.